Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Snipping Tool into your Windows 11 in a very simple way. You can do it into your Windows 10 also. So here you just need to come over into your search option over here, and from here you just need to type Snipping Tool over here. It's a built-in application from Windows, so if you click on that, it will help you to take a screenshot for your PC. If you can't find it into your Windows operating system or you want to add it into your taskbar, you just simply come over into your taskbar, and then you can see here is your snapping tool. So if you right click on it and click on pin to taskbar, it will always be pinned into your taskbar. If I just now close it, you can see Snipping Tools is showing into our taskbar. So if you open it, you can see you can also take screenshot, also you can video record. So if we just click on this screenshot option, just click on that, click on new, and you can see there is two options, that one is taking picture and one is like how you want to take the screenshot. Like you can take it as a rectangle. If I show you, you can take it as well, or you can see that you just want to click the free form, like I can drag like this and also take the screenshot like this. It's very simple like this. So if you're just showing it, you can see your screenshot something looking like this. So this is how you can use Snipping Tools into your Windows 11 and 10. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.